If you recall my previous video last year where I vinyl wrapped my dash panel, I've decided recently to change up the look of my car's interior. I was interested in seeing some vinyl wrap alternatives and was pleasantly surprised to see this carbon fiber style ABS plastic cover or cap that fits over the existing wood dash panel. This is perfect for those people that dislike the wood dash panel that is standard with the black interior. So far I've only seen this available in carbon fiber and a few bright solid colors. Remove the dash from the car. There are two end pieces on each side of the dash panel that need to be taken out. Here I'm removing the dash panel from the car. I did this mostly to show detail during the installation process. You can probably install it in the car yourself, you just have to be a little bit more careful. Slowly pull up on the front of the panel. We'll release it from its clips, then angle it out and remove. Here is the dash panel with the vinyl wrap removed. The wood underneath is in perfect condition. Now I'm going to unbox the new cover. The stiff ABS plastic shell with imitation carbon fiber pattern is definitely a lot different than a vinyl wrap. One of the problems of installing a vinyl wrap on the wood dash panel is that the fiber of the wood sometimes shows through and makes an uneven finish on the vinyl. Of course, real carbon fiber would have been a better solution, but those replacements cost in the $500 range. This item has a glossy finish, so be aware that glare may be an issue. I've been using this panel for a week and I haven't had any problems with glare. Let's do a test fit of the cover and see how well it works. The coverage of this cap is pretty good. The sides and front cover all of the wood, nothing is exposed. There is a tiny corner there, you can see that the wood is popping through, but that is hidden from normal view. I'm a little disappointed in the imitation carbon fiber pattern. It's not quite as good as my center console, which has a more 3D look to it. This cap is sculpted so that the front edge is a bit thinner so that it doesn't overlap too much, and it looks fairly factory when it's attached. There are a couple millimeters of wiggle room to the left and to the right. I don't think this makes too much difference. It may be some variability in the sizes of these dashes also that may contribute to this. The corners of this cap are also really nice, much better than what you could usually do with a vinyl wrap. When viewed from underneath, you can see that there are two long strips of 3M automotive double-sided tape that will adhere to the dash. Make sure to clean the wood panel with isopropyl alcohol wipes. This is to ensure best adhesion. Starting at one end, remove the red liner from the tape. For this application, I did not use adhesion promoter like I usually do on exterior elements of the car. I did this because I wanted to have an option to remove it at some point, and adhesion promoter will make it very difficult to remove. Carefully place the cover over the dash panel. I found it best to line up the front edge. Make sure to line it up correctly before pressing down fully. You can fix any errors if you do it very lightly. Once everything looks good, you can start pressing down firmly across the whole surface. Do this repeatedly for several minutes. I found using a microfiber cloth makes it a lot easier. .3M adhesive can reach 50% strength in about 20 minutes, 90% strength after 24 hours, and a full 100% after 72 hours. So if you can, leave it to cure at room temperature, if possible, for at least 24 hours. Now we can reinstall the dash back into the car. If any of the clips have fallen off in this process, make sure you put them back on before reattaching. Center the panel over the dash opening. Then angle it in. Now you can press down to snap in all the connectors. Reinstall the end pieces on the left side. And reinstall the end pieces on the right side. And that's it, the project is done. I know a lot of people feel that the standard wood dash looks out of place for such a modern car. If you'd like to get one of these, see the link in the video description. So in conclusion, I must say this was a very easy install. I also feel it's reasonably priced at under $70. I also feel it looks much better than the Imitation carbon fiber vinyl wraps, which can suffer from the wood pattern showing through the vinyl, and also the edges, which don't come out as clean. Hopefully we'll see more of these caps/covers available in other finishes. A favorite of mine would probably be a brushed metallic or satin finish. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.